Hi there, my name is Jai Tour. I'm one of the co-founders of Deepline, and I'm going to walk you through how to get started with Deepline. So what we're going to cover today, number one, what is Deepline? Number two, how do you actually use it? And number three, how does pricing work? So let's get started with what is Deepline, and then I'll do a quick demo of how to use it. So our mission is to make it so you can solve any go-to-market problem with one prompt in Claude Code. So we are not managing the agents for you. We just give all the tools, skills, and data points necessary to solve really hard go-to-market problems as easily as possible. So where you will actually be accessing Deepline is through Claude Code. We also support custom agent frameworks like lane graphs, deep agents, codecs, any common coding agent, anything that can use a CLI. We also have a native workflow engine. What's unique about Deepline is we have a database that you own built in. So it's a Postgres NEON database that you get access to and are able to create custom datasets in, but we automatically capture a lot of information there, and it holds the state of different workflows. And then what types of data can you actually get? I'll go more in depth here, but you can think of it as basically anything that you should ever need for go-to-market data. So anything from LinkedIn information, real-time comments, scraping, all the way through to core email, phone, waterfalls, and contact enrichment. We also do custom web scraping, webhook receiving, so replies from sales products, and that all gets stored in one place that Claude Code knows how to access easily. So let's get started. How do you actually install Deepline? You can come to the website here, and there is a install script. So I'm going to copy and paste that into the CLI here. And it's going to open. So it opened another window for me to log into. Here I'm going to say yes to allowing common setup commands. That just doesn't ask for bash on every use case. So let's pick a recipe on the quick start guide. Let's start with waterfall email lookup, and let's look at the results. So on the right here, we have the playground. This is where the plan and intermediate steps are captured so you can provide feedback. So what does the table look like? What are the different attributes that are getting pulled? So it's just going to parse through the plan step by step. On the left side, I have the session run. So you can see Deepline session, Deepline enrich. It's pulling the data automatically here. So it's pulling the data automatically. The outputs are captured here on the right. So you can see it's running custom JavaScript to get the first name, last name, and we'll let that run for a second. So as it progresses, it's going to check off the list, and we'll be able to see the result. So here we have 10 CTOs in New York. And down here at the end, I can see the waterfall for the verified email. Everyone passed on the first one, so we didn't have to go through. Two other things that are useful here. One, you can set a session spending limit. So let's say I don't want to spend more than $5 no matter what the run is. We're putting hard caps on Claude Code to be able to hit data providers. So what's actually happening in the back end? What's actually happening in the back end is we manage all the integrations for you. So you have a list of integrations here. We integrate with your CRM. You can sync all of it to your database automatically. And then you can vibe code custom integrations on top of that. If you're using Instantly, HeyReach, Lemlist for LinkedIn or email outbound campaigns, connect to your data warehouse. Everything's managed centrally here. And then we have lots of different ad providers and your Slack integration. So ad providers, these just contain as much data for as many different go-to-market use cases as possible. You don't need to know which ones we have. If you want to override an API key, you can. But by default, you'll be using our API key, similar to how other providers might solve this problem. The last piece is the customer database. And this is what I kind of view as our secret sauce. Is in a lot of tools, you have a table or a worksheet is the piece of information that you keep about someone. We log everything in a central location. So every run that happens gets stored in a database that you have access to and can build on top of. And you can build custom views tied to contacts and accounts. This is really useful for signal stacking, custom automations like Slack reply bots, inbound qualification. We give you all the tools you need to automate all of those workflows in minutes with Claude Code. Lastly, we're going to look at pricing. So how does pricing for Deepline work? We're usage-based with an upgrade for storing signals that database experience. Enrichment is no minimum. It's pay-as-you-go. You can buy credits and use them effectively across all your different data sources. Typically, our prices are 50 to 80% less than Clay for the same exact data source and same provider. Signal stacking is where we require an upgrade. So this is where you're going to be building a database, maintaining lots of inbound signals, let's say managing your replies from different providers or webhooks from different data sources. And you can always control your own spend. We know that a lot of people struggled with runaway spend on different platforms. We have two ways to control spend. One is a session soft limit. And so here I can add a limit and say I only want to spend $5 on this task, and that will be applied to this particular task or workflow. And then at the account level, I can also say set a spending cap. Let's make it 4,000. And then the account will automatically stop spending there. But you can top up at whatever rate you want, and we offer volume discounts. Perfect. So just to wrap it up, what is Deepline? We provide go-to-market data from a single place with guardrails and pre-built skills for go-to-market teams. Your interface is going to be Claude Code, AI apps, workflow tools. We're not going to be the interface that you log into every day. We just make sure that go-to-market data, accurate, up-to-date, is always available to anywhere that you're doing your work. And what does Deepline actually provide? It's a combination of skills. So what does Deepline actually provide you? It's a combination of skills. How do I use these particular providers or data sources? So we have a lot of skills in our docs on our website. It's tools. Those are the providers themselves. So it could be something like getting a LinkedIn profile and getting to an email, or it could be something like creating a contact in HubSpot. And then lastly, we provide opinionated approaches to solving particular go-to-market challenges around signal collection, automation, data provider APIs, when should you use a particular provider versus another, and then syncing all of this to your CRM at the right time in the right way. So that's the overarching structure of Deepline. We're the back-end infrastructure that makes Claude Code go-to-market superhero. You should be able to one prompt every single go-to-market task. We typically see that it takes projects that used to take 2 to 4 weeks down to 30 minutes in some cases. So you can start today, reach out to team@deepline.com if you have any questions, and looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.